let us start discussing about vaccines. They are used to kill the disease caused in humans and other animals, and it is basically to provide immunity against a certain disease. What is immunity? Basically it is the ability of one's body to resist a disease. मीन्स हमारी बॉडी में कितनी शक्ति है किसी डिजीज़ से फाइट करने की, दैट इज़ इम्यूनिटी. And how we can develop immunity by vaccination. How does vaccine work? A small dose of dead or weakened disease causing microorganisms is used to stimulate immune response in the body is called vaccine. We take an microorganism from which the disease can happen, we treat it or we make it dead, and we introduce that inside our body, against which some antibodies are produced. These antibodies remain in the body for future reference. Now we will have certain diseases against which we have developed the vaccines. Cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, tetanus, hepatitis B can be prevented by vaccination. In childhood, we are given injections or vaccines or drops to protect us against several diseases. This is immunization schedule of a child. You can read it. Now moving on to the do you know. We are talking about Sir Edward Jenner. He noticed that milkmen did not suffer from smallpox even during epidemics if they had earlier suffered from cowpox. On May 14, 1796, he took cowpox matter from the blisters of the arm of a milkmaid and injected them into the arm of an 8-year-old boy, James Phipps. Phipps quickly developed cowpox and recovered. On July 1, 1796, injected the same boy Phipps with the smallpox, but he did not contract smallpox. He had acquired immunity against smallpox. In this way, Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for smallpox. Now we will talk about they are also used for making vitamin B complex tablets. That is its commercial use. Now moving on to the next use, that is increasing soil fertility. We have discussed about the rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the root nodules. What this bacteria do, it absorb nitrogen gas from the atmosphere and convert it into simple nitrogenous compounds called nitrates. Some bacteria and blue-green algae living in the soil also fix atmospheric nitrogen as nitrates. They are known as biological nitrogen fixers. Now, bacteria also helps in cleaning the environment. The microorganisms decompose. What is the function of a microorganism? They decompose dead organic matter of plants and animals and convert them into harmless, simpler substances, which are restored to the soil and increase its fertility. This is a natural method to keep water clean. In this way, they help keep the environment clean. Now we will talk about some other uses of microorganisms. Bacteria are useful in leather and jute industry. Basically, bacteria are used to convert animal skin into leather, and in the separation of fibers, in jute we need to separate the fibers. It can be done by the action of bacteria, that is known as retting of fibers, and it also helps in generating biogas. Some bacteria live in the digestive system of ruminants like cows and goats. These bacteria help the ruminants to digest the cellulose present in grass and plants. So in this way, these microorganisms are useful to us. Tomorrow we will discuss how they are harmful for us. Thank you.